Okay, so this is a very quick teaser video to give you an idea of some of the things you get in Niche Reaper. At the moment we're in the home page, which is the live feed, where you can see keywords dropping regularly. They're actually live coming into the system. You can see them happening right now on the video. Now when you see one in here, you won't actually spend a lot of time in here. Normally you'll be in keywords or niches, but if you see one in here that you like and you're interested in, all you need to do is tag it by clicking on the star to mark it as one that you're interested in, and you can then search or filter by those later on in the keywords page. Now if you miss one, if you're looking through these and you spot a couple, see I just missed that one because it does go quick. If you missed ones further down, what you can do is change the view to the last 50, let's say, and then we can scroll back down and grab a couple of the others that we're interested in. You do have to be careful. This fills up quickly. It is very quick. Okay, so I'm just going to tag a few of these. So I've picked up some. That's how quick and easy it can be to pick some great niches that are dropping live into the keyword database. Okay, now let's go across and have a look at the keywords page and niches page. Okay, here we are in the keywords page. First thing I want to bring to your attention is the number at the top here, 391,000. That's the number of keywords in the database right now, but we're adding an extra 20,000 new keywords every day. That's what the system does. It's pulling in 20,000 new keywords every single day. It's a pretty big database already. You can see it's growing massively. Okay, next thing I want to point out is obviously we've got some color coding going on here. Green is good. Amber is okay, potentially worth going after. White, forget about, leave it alone. We then have some filters at the bottom here, so you can actually filter on different things. Let's say we want to just look at all those keywords with a monthly value of over $100. So put in greater than 100, hit return, and we've now filtered it down to just those highly valuable keywords. Earlier on we saw that we can tag keywords by clicking on the star. This is where we can now filter by them and just bring up those that we're interested in. Okay, let's have a look at some of the information across the top here. The value is the estimated monthly value of that keyword, and that's just if you were using something like AdSense to monetize it. If you're using CPA marketing, affiliate marketing, list building, you're going to make a lot more money than that. Okay, the calculation for that and for the estimated monthly clicks that you can get for that keyword, how those are calculated is covered in the training videos in further detail. I'm not going to cover it in this video, it takes too long. The opportunities, however, I do need to cover. It's a really important part about keyword research and how people are taught to do this wrong. When you're normally taught how to do manual keyword research, you're often shown that you should be looking at the number of competing sites, which is totally irrelevant. It doesn't matter how many sites you're competing with in the results, because you're only interested in being on the first page of Google. Okay, so how many you're competing with, irrelevant. You're competing with the top 10, and in fact most of the clicks go to the top 5 results. So you actually want to be in the top 5. So that's who you're competing with. That's what we concentrate on, and that's what we're targeting here, whether there is potential to beat out some of those top 5. And that's what an opportunity is. So we're saying for lower jaw surgery, there are 2 potential sites that we could push out of the top 5. Okay, that's really important. A number of searches for the keyword, fairly obvious, monthly searches. Page rank and backlinks, that's the average page rank and backlinks for the top 5 results. Okay, don't be put off by a big backlink figure. That can be thrown out by 1 or 2 of the results having massive number of backlinks. There could still be 1 or 2 in there with 0 or 10 backlinks. Okay, then we have whether the exact match keyword domain is available for .com, .net, .org. That allows you to grab that domain and rank really quickly and easily and beat out other sites at the top 5 just by the fact that you have the keywords in the domain. Okay. Then we have whether the Facebook fan page URL is available, so you can grab that and go that way instead of having a website if you want. Okay, let's drill down and have a look at the information on an SEO basis. What we're interested in here is the top 5 results for the keyword lower jaw surgery. And what we're interested in is whether these sites have had any search engine optimization done on them. Okay, if there's a hollow dot or a circle, it means there's a partial match for the keyword in either URL or in the title, which means there's some search engine optimization going on, but not a lot. A complete dot, a filled in dot, means there's an exact match. Obviously a partial match, it could be the plural of the keyword, it could be just 2 or 3 of the keywords, it could be in the wrong order, etc. Okay, this is actually a great example. This is a YouTube video and it's only got a partial match in the title. We could beat this out with our own YouTube video where we have an exact match in the title. So we could actually go straight after that. But this we could go for with the .org, for instance. We've got it in the title, in the URL then, put it in the title as well, get a few backlinks. We're in like Flynn, we can beat that. Authority is simply whether there's a .edu or .gov domain. Obviously that's something that you want to avoid. So we're just highlighting those for you as well. Okay, that's the drill down information. And now let's go and have a look at the niches page. Okay, so here we are on the niches page instead of keywords, and again you can see that we've got color coding going on. Green is good, orange is okay, white forget about. This is obviously where the system goes a step beyond what's the normal kind of keyword research that you get. This is actually niches rather than keywords, so it's keywords grouped together into a niche for you. We still have the same sort of information available, we have the same sort of filters available. I'm going to quickly click on the star and bring up some that I've already tagged earlier, and you can see the kind of things that we've got available. The data does change a little bit because what we're now looking at is the number of keywords available within that niche. Then we have the overall value and overall clicks for that niche and the overall searches for that niche. And obviously you can see this is where we can easily always find a .com, .net, .org exact match because we're now looking at multiple keywords within the niche, so we can find a suitable domain. Okay, let's have a drill down quickly into a couple of these and have a look. Okay, so West Highland Terrier, we can see it's not a big niche. There's 4 greens and 2 oranges, and then we're into whites. But that is a valuable niche. There's a lot of exact match domains we could go after. It's a buyer's niche, so that's potentially a really good niche to target. Let's have a look at another one. What else we got here? Schnoodle puppies. I mean, schnoodle puppies. What on earth are schnoodle puppies? I would have never thought of going after a niche for schnoodle puppies, but it's a good niche, and you can see we're getting related keywords. There's LSI stuff going on in here, Vizslas breeders, schnoodles, Chihuahua puppies, Havanese puppies. So there's a good selection of keywords available in this niche, and we now know what to target with our articles, with our blog posts, etc. Okay, you can see very quickly and easily you can pick out valuable niches. Retirement income, again, have a drill down. Oh, look at that, that's a fantastic niche. That is highly valuable with lots of exact match URLs available. And again, we just grab the keywords we want, get the articles written, get a blog post done, work on some backlinks, and we're in like Flynn and we're going to be making money. Okay, that's the power of Niche Reaper. It's not just about keywords, it's about the keywords being researched for you. It's about the niches, giving you complete niches with the keywords grouped together so you can dominate a niche rather than just a keyword. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you on the inside.